Okay, so I was sitting here at the computer working, and I heard explosion, 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 like 4 different big blasts, and I thought something had fallen off the wall or something, and I came in to the bathroom, and this is what I found. Glass everywhere. The shower door is completely shattered, the frame all torn apart. I have no idea what happened. None. Didn't hear anything outside. I guess you can see how bad. I mean, it's everywhere. It's shot into the tub. Everywhere. It's amazing that it didn't break something other than the shower. At least I don't think it did. It flushed the toilet. The toilet was running when I came in. I just don't even know where to begin to fix this. What a mess. This is still crackling and popping, so I'm sure this piece is going to fall out just any time. As you can see, it's a safety glass, so it's all split into little pieces.